pizza spaghetti here at the Young's house, and I am so excited to share this recipe with you. It's so much fun to make. Listen, if you love spaghetti, and most of us do, and you love pizza, everybody does. You put the two together, you got a match made in heaven. This recipe is so much fun to make, and it tastes amazing. Here's what you're gonna need for my recipe. We got some mozzarella. If you can't find mozzarella, get you some provolone. We have some ground sausage I'm gonna be using. This is just like a ground breakfast sausage. That's what I want to use. And we're using a green bell pepper, a nice, beautiful sweet onion, pizza sauce, not spaghetti sauce. Pizza sauce, because we want it to taste like pizza. And of course we have some good pepperoni. For those that do not eat pork, you can still make this recipe using a turkey or a beef pepperoni and maybe a turkey breakfast sausage, okay? Of course you're gonna need some spaghetti noodles. Anytime I make any kind of spaghetti, I'm always using the thin spaghetti noodles. They just taste better, all right? We got some spices over here so we can make everything come together and taste amazing. We got salt. Parsley flakes, you know, it's really just for color, make everything beautiful. We have garlic and onion powder. We got some black pepper and a little bit of oregano. Make sure your hands are clean. We're making delicious. I can't. What about bacon?
Pizza spaghetti.
Pizza spaghetti. Laugh with me. You all couldn't imagine how many times that there are bloopers that you guys don't get to see, because normally we edit it out. We're not taking it out today. So if there's any other bloopers, you guys are going to get to see all of it. I hope y'all are having a great day today. I really do. And if you're not, hopefully I can brighten up your day with this here recipe that you're going to totally love. First thing we're going to do for our pizza spaghetti is go ahead and get 1 pound of ground breakfast sausage, nice and cooked up. If you have any oil, make sure to drain it. Last thing we want is for this to be greasy, okay? So I'm gonna brown it up. In the meantime, we're gonna get started chopping up any vegetables. And I want you all to think about your favorite pizza, okay? What's the toppings that you love? Any toppings that you love on your favorite pizza, that's what you're gonna put into your pizza spaghetti. So if you're that person that likes black olives, you could do that too. Like, really have fun with the ingredients that you use. I'm gonna start off cutting this beautiful sweet Vidalia onion into just bite-sized pieces. We're gonna do the same thing with the green bell pepper. Let's chop our onion, just like so, quick and simple. Now, this is definitely a recipe where I would not put pineapples in it. I don't want pineapples in my pizza spaghetti, but I want pineapples on my pizza. I do. I want to hear from you all. How do you feel about that? Does pineapple belong on pizza? Let me know. I'm super excited to hear from you. Pepper. Anytime I have a pizza, I have to have onions and bell pepper on it. Yes, these are my favorite toppings. And sometimes I'll even order ham on my pizza. Super delicious. Oh yeah. Tell me what the weather's like where you all live at. Our weather lately has been like 81, 83 degrees. Not as hot as I like it. I wish it would go up to about 86. 87, 88. That's the weather that I like. My husband's like, girl, you are nuts. Because my husband, oh goodness, if it's 80 degrees, he's sweating. He's got a paper towel and he's wiping his face. I'm like, it ain't even hot out here. I have my water boiling for my noodles, but today I decided that I want to give my noodles some good flavor. So I put some chicken bouillon powder in that water. I wait till it comes up to a boil, of course, and anytime I'm making spaghetti noodles or any kind of noodle, I cook it for 11 minutes. It turns out perfect every time, right? But as long as you don't put the noodles in while the water's not boiling. The water has to be boiling. Season the water. 11 minutes, your noodles are perfect. Break the meat down a little bit. I'll bring it a little closer to me, just like so. I love this. This is super handy. Someone had actually purchased this for me like years ago. I still have it, and I absolutely love it. Water with the chicken bouillon has came to a boil. We're going to cook these noodles for 11 minutes. Let's give them a nice mix around so they don't stick. Brown breakfast sausage is cooked. There's hardly any oil in here. If for some reason you cook up your sausage and you get a lot of oil, just take a clean paper towel and kind of blot up that oil. It's not going to be a lot because it's sausage. So now we're going to put pizza sauce in here, not spaghetti sauce, y'all. If we're making pizza spaghetti, we're using pizza sauce, right? Both of these are 14 ounces. You're gonna need 2 of them. Go ahead and mix it around. It smells great already. Go ahead and season up our sauce and make it taste good. Don't be shy with the seasonings. You want flavor, right? Sure you do. I'm gonna put some Parmesan cheese in mine. Oh yeah. And then I'll probably sprinkle Parmesan on the top, like I really would a pizza. I love Parmesan sprinkled on my pizza. Is this one open? Yeah, it is. So we're going in with some garlic powder, and on purpose, I'm using a nice amount. Even though we're using fresh onions, I'm using onion powder too. It's like a must, right? And we're gonna put some black pepper, a little bit of oregano, or if you don't have oregano, Italian seasoning, okay? Lovely. Let's mix it up. If you feel the need to put a pinch or 2 of sugar in here, go ahead and do that. Go ahead and get us a little bit of salt in there, and I am going to put that pinch or 2 of sugar in here. I just need it. Go ahead and put that sugar in there. That is much needed. I'm not putting a lot in there to make it sweet. It's not going to make it sweet. Just kind of balances out the savory and saltiness, okay? Oh yeah. Now, I know some of you are wondering, like, okay, so I thought she was getting ready to put the bell peppers and onions in here. No, we're not. Because this is going to get layered on top of our spaghetti just like you would put it onto a pizza, right? Absolutely. And they get cooked just perfectly when it goes in the oven. And here's what we're doing, y'all. I am loading this with cheese. It's going to be super cheesy. And now we're going to take our spaghetti noodles that have so much flavor because we put chicken bouillon powder in the water. We cook these for 11 minutes. Put them into a baking dish, as much or as least noodles as you want. I want a nice amount of noodles. Okay, and then we're going to pour this gorgeous pizza sauce on top. But we're not done yet. This right here, if we was making a real pizza, that's considered the crust, okay? And now we're gonna take this gorgeous sauce that tastes so good. Y'all, I had to season this sauce several times with these seasonings that I have over here. The oregano, the garlic powder, the onion powder, black pepper, and Parmesan cheese to get it to taste like I wanted it to taste. And I did add that pinch or 2 of sugar in here, okay? Let's make this look gorgeous. Oh, this is so exciting because it tastes so good. Now for the cheese. And if you love cheese like we do here at the Young's house, you're going to pile the cheese on. Oh my goodness. Now, honestly, I do have to be honest with you. When I order a pizza, I don't want extra cheese. But for this pizza spaghetti, it's a must that you put a whole lot of cheese on it, all right? Just like this. How much fun. Cheese. And then we're going to add the pepperonis on. Oh my goodness, who's excited? Is your mouth watering? Is your stomach a rumbling? If so, I don't blame you. I don't, because it is so good. You just have to try it. There's always gonna be some people in the background that say, I don't want it. Try it. Go ahead and put us some pepperoni on there. How many of you love a whole lot of pepperonis? Just get them on there and make it look gorgeous, right? This is a shareable dish. This is a fun dish no matter who you feed it to, whether you're making it for Uncle Bobo, Aunt Sue, the kids, grandma and grandpa, everyone loves this recipe. It's like the clouds are coming out, y'all. What is this weather doing to me? Man, daggone it. Now that we have our pepperonis on, I wanted to talk about something super important. So let's just say you love pepperonis and you would like to have more than that, then sneak some pepperoni into the sauce. Absolutely. And then you can have as many pepperonis as you want, right? I didn't want to totally cover it with pepperonis because then you can't see the cheese. So now we're going to put our bell peppers and onions just like so. I'm going to put this setting on top of a cookie sheet so no spillage on my oven. And we're going to have pizza spaghetti Gina Young style that is absolutely amazing. There you have it. Come in close so they can see. Baby, I'm so excited about this. Look at this. Are you kidding me? Oh yeah, I'm ready. I know you're ready. Out of the pan. Oh my family is waiting with anticipation. They are. Oh my goodness, you should be too. Look. Oh, baby, when I tell you you're gonna love this right here. Thank you. Seriously, look at the cheese. Yes. Let's taste. Okay, let's see. Oh, tastes just like pizza. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.